Today, we're going to talk about why open houses for longer hours will always work no matter what, but you have to do it the right way. And I don't want to hear anyone complain and say open houses don't work, because there's so many sellers out there that are like, hey, Kerin, do open houses work? And I say, absolutely they do. Well, my agent said they don't work. Well, your agent's lazy and they don't want to work weekends. So before I move forward with saying anything, let me say this now. Yes, as agents, we get busy. And it is hard sometimes to do open houses. And yes, there's new agents that are just getting their license that should be doing open houses. And we try to get them to do open houses, and they just don't think it works because they want everything handed to them on a silver platter, and they're so lazy, and they went to school for 2 weeks and they think real estate's easy. All right, calm down. Okay, let's get back to the point. Open houses work. But the thing is that everyone always wants instant gratification. Let me explain. Let's say you own a restaurant and you're open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And between the hours of 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock, no one shows up. Should you go, oh, no one showed up between 4 and 5. We might as well just stop doing it. We might as well close down the restaurant because no one showed up. That's how people think in real estate. Oh, I did an open house. No one showed up. No, it's because you didn't do it correct. And it's not always about everyone showing up that makes an open house successful. Again, I'm going to get off topic here real quick. I'm showing a house the other day. We drive through this gated community and there's an open house sign and it's only 1 p.m. And I'm like, oh, there's an open house. After we look at the house, we'll go check out these open houses, right? That's great. I would never look at those houses anyway. But guess what? They closed their open house at 1:30. Why would you close your open? Because they're lazy agents. And the sad thing is that they would have had a potential buyer right there. So let me get back to the topic and explain why I'm going to tell you they work and use that as an example. When you do an open house, you're pretty much stating to the world that between these hours, you get to come into this house with no show time. You don't have to make a reservation, whatever the case may be, right? You can just come in. Why this is beneficial is this. Within a huge community, Saturday, Sunday, like especially if you're open for 4 hours plus, you already potentially have buyers looking at other homes. These buyers might say, hey, let's just go look at that house like I did with my buyers, but we couldn't get in the house, right? And they might come in and say, all right, let's go look at the house. Oh, this is a great house. I actually didn't know because it wasn't within my search criteria. I was actually looking for this or I was looking for that. So it never popped up when I was searching for it. But now that I'm here, I might as well check it out. Now, the great thing about having a longer open house is somebody might come in and say, oh, I like this. I didn't think I was going to, you know what? I'm going to go home. I'm going to get my husband or wife or whatever, and I'm going to come back later since you guys are open for so long. And has that happened to me? Multiple times. Number two, you might have people that are in the neighborhood that are like, hey, let's go check out the house. I've had this happen before. Hey, what time you open till? I was outside. Oh, I'm here for 6 hours. Oh, great. I'm actually going to Home Depot. Then I'm going somewhere else. I'll come back later. And they did. And you know what ended up happening? They were just looky-loos. And they ended up buying the house because they got all dressed up, ready for dinner, and they came back. It was a whole nother story for a whole nother video. The other thing is that you should be doing nonstop marketing when it comes to real estate. So if you're doing an open house for 4, 5, 6 hours, you can open up your laptop and you can start advertising that house. Hey guys, today open house. And there's hundreds of Facebook groups that are started every day, moving to this state, Ohio to Florida, Michigan to Florida, New York to Florida. And you can just fill it out. Hey guys, if you're looking at houses today, I'm here at an open house. So guess what? You just got done a ton of marketing because you're sitting at an open house, right? At the end of the day, builders do open houses 7 days a week, right? Because they know that people are going to drive to them. See, we're so attached to technology and AI and this and that. Everyone wants to sit behind a computer all day long and do videos. But it's not just about that. You could kill two birds with one stone. Yes, technology is important, but you need to be tangible. You need to have the door open. You need to have people come physically look at things. And instead of them being like, I don't want to look at that house, I'm on Zillow because it doesn't meet my criteria. Oh, they're doing an open house and I'm going to be over there anyway. I'll take a look at it. That's the whole thing. Even if you get one person in that door, one person that wasn't going to look at it and they end up buying it, You did so much justice for your seller and for yourself. So stop being lazy. If you know you have a lot of work to do, go do an open house at your clients. Especially if it's vacant, open up your laptop, get all the work done that you need to get done while doing open house, as if it's your office. That's my final thing I want to talk about. When you do open houses, you could do it as if it's your office. Monday morning, hey everyone, this is so-and-so. I'm going to be at this house from, 11 a.m. till 4 p.m. today. If you have any questions regarding real estate, come see me at this house. What you're doing is you're getting people in the house anyway, right? And if they can come talk to you about selling a house, great. But they might look at this house and go, I actually have a friend that wants to buy this house. Or open houses are amazing. There's no negative to it. I don't care what anyone says. If they say there's anything negative, they're just lazy people. Do open houses. They work. They're great. The longer, the better. The more, the better. This is why I do the videos. And if you have any questions or you want to learn anything, I'm here to do all the videos for you.